This is tube furnace GSL 1100S, which is designed to anneal and heat temperature up to 1100 degrees Celsius at a certain time and temperature. This is the aluminum board which is used to put the sample, press the sample in here and put in the quartz tube. We have different size depending on the diameter of the quartz tube. So first, you have to fill in your sample in this tube and then put gently into the tube. Use this rod to push the board into the middle of the cylindrical cavity. Then we need to cover each end of this tube with this vacuum flange. Make sure to secure it tightly to avoid the air from the atmosphere to insert to the tube. Turn on the first valve. We have different type of gases, but as for my case, I chose argon gas. Then turn on the second valve, which is argon gas that we have picked earlier, and then turn on this gas pressure controller to the right. So you can see the gas there to indicate the flow of the gas. The argon gas will pass through this tube and then ends up to this bottle. In order to select a program, please hold this select button. Hold it for a second until you see channel 1 and then push the down button here until channel 3. Then select this and then go down until you find SV1. This is set value 1. This is where you choose the targeted temperature to heat your sample. You can select this, push this select button and change the temperature. You can change the temperature up to 1100 degrees Celsius, but for this case, I try to choose the temperature for 120 degrees Celsius. Select. And then, so TMIR is your ramping time. This is where the heat will go up to the selected temperature. So I chose select. This is 5 hours and 10 minutes, meaning 10 minutes is taken to go up to the targeted temperature and 5 hours will steadily heat your temperature at 120 degrees Celsius. So just press select and then go down again. This is for stabilize or the heat, which is you can set the temperature, the time here again up to how many minutes do you want. This is 30 seconds, but you can go up to 10 minutes or 1 hour. So for example, 40 seconds is chosen. Just press select and go to SV2 is your cooling time. This is the time, so you can just select here, pick your select the cooling time, which is I choose here up to 30 seconds. Okay, just press select. Then this is your stop time as for the program to stop the process. So you only need 1 second. The rest of it will cool by itself. Then you just go to the main screen here. Okay, everything is selected. You have set your program. Just go to the main screen and then just push the select button once. Don't hold it. You can see the screen here, standby mode. You have to make sure it is off. Then go down to the program. and then select the program, go up or down button. Then you can see the run program here, and then you have to select. So everything is running right now. You can see this screen, and then don't forget to push the run button here. To turn off the program, please press stop button, and then do it in reverse technique. You have to turn off this gas. Pull it off, and then turn off this valve. Don't forget to turn off this first valve.